Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can circle a word in Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Word. So here you can see that I want to circle solutions. So you simply need to go into the insert and go into the shapes and select this shape that is oval and make a circle around it. But as you can see that you simply need to click on shape fill and click on no fill and shape outlines. I'm going to select the red one, and if you want you can make the border thicker like this and adjust like this like I am doing. So let me adjust that. Okay, so this is a process by which you can circle a word in Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.